guys! Happy Friday! It's 5 o'clock ng gabi and it's been how many days? Through what date is 7? It's been 5 days. It's been 5 days today na we planted our seedlings and I'm gonna show you what's the update if they grow or if they let's say they call it germinate, and I'll show you. So this is the 5 days of our seeds. We are still waiting for the hot pepper and the eggplant. There's no sign of hot pepper, but this is broccoli, green beans, eggplant, no sign yet. Broccoli, hot pepper, no, and tomato. And on the other side, we planted the okra. Here we have okra, bok choy, green beans here on the side, and what is this one? Green beans. And this is green beans too, and hot pepper. We're still waiting for the hot pepper. And eggplant. No eggplant yet. I don't know if they're gonna leave. And broccoli. So that's it. These cups are like the mandarin seeds. And we put it there for now because we don't have any extra tray. Meron na kami we have extra like this, but it's only 3 seeds. So my husband just put it in a cup and he just put holes in it. And ito, my husband ordered already the dirt for our garden bed outside there in the backyard, and we're gonna start putting all the dirt. And he also ordered some worms. The worms makes the dirt healthier, right? Yeah. So he ordered some worms and we're gonna put it there, and you will see that in our vlog. And also he ordered the lights. I already showed you in our recent video that we had a light, but we changed it to something else. We need a bigger light. Yeah, we need a bigger light, and we got this in Spider Farmer, and this video is not sponsored. So just want to show you. It's kind of cool though. And this is like I think this has a lot of lights, right? Yeah, I don't know. It's the lights like that. And how do you turn it on? And he got some fan. This fan will be for the...
I think we're not going to use that.
Why? Because it's so big?
It's so big.
Because he thought that we're just going to get something smaller, but the...
It comes with a pulley system. Check this out.
What?
You can put this in here. Huh?
Yeah.
You,
What is this one? This is like for...
It's another light.
It's another light to get more
one
light.
Is each... Look, this is like a ratchet system.
Yeah. Oh, you can hang it.
Yeah.
So, at least we have... seeds that already started to germinate, which is good.
A lot of seeds.
Yeah, but we're still waiting for the hot pepper and for the eggplant. Hopefully they will germinate soon, and we only have 5 days before we're gonna start to put lights in it. So we need to put lights.
What is that? Okra. Wow, the okra is getting big.
Yeah.
Broccoli, green beans.
So look at the green beans, they're so long too.
So it's hot pepper and eggplant, huh?
Yeah, hot pepper and eggplant late grow.
That's it. Hot pepper and eggplant. Okay.
So that's it, guys. And we'll just put my husband, we're gonna set up the lights, hopefully. He will figure it out. And we're gonna put it here.
Yeah.
Just here, same thing here.
I'm gonna hang one here, and then they're going to you know.
And tomorrow we're gonna pick up all the dirts that he ordered in Home Depot, so we can start to build the garden bed, so we can start to transfer this once it starts to grow. So we still have 5 days
Look,
to...
This is the squirrel with the misshapen head.
What?
Look, his head is over here.
Oh, we have a squirrel. We have a visitor. Yan, in-spoiled ng asawa ko yung mga squirrel. Hi, buddy. Hi. So we have to put the screen soon too before we transfer all the plants, because we have a lot of birds and squirrel here that we have to protect all the vegetables from them, because obviously they're gonna eat it if you don't have a screen. Yeah, because we thought it's gonna
take 12 days.
Take like 10 days. I already saw some greens in the covers because it was so like moist because of the temperature there is hot, it's warm, and it has like moist, and I already saw the greens in there, which is obviously successful. But hopefully eggplants and hot pepper will gonna start to germinate soon. So
I think they need a hotter environment.
Hotter, because it's a little bit not really warm in this area, but it's still...
I think they want like 80s.
The heating mat helps them to to have a warm temperature. We have a lot of bok choy. We have a lot of the tomato. Mostly I put like 2-3 inches of each seeds. Tomato, we have like 2 each in one box. And there's 3. What that? Dami. Oh my gosh, I don't know what we're gonna do once we start harvesting. And look at the bok choy. That's a lot of bok choy. So mostly of them are they germinate. And we have broccoli. A lot of broccoli too. Green beans starting to bloom. Ang tawag dyan? Hindi ko alam. This is the okra. I'm so happy because okra, sarap ng okra, di ba? Nandun yung asawa ko, din ako ng hama niya. Pero ang lamig ngayon, super windy today. Mainit siya, it's sunny, but it's windy. Ay, kumukuha siya ng kasi gagawa siya ng tungtungan siguro ng papatungan ng aming lights. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung gagawin niya.
I think that might be enough, though.
Huh?
That might be enough.
I think so.
Otherwise, look, we could do like this. Look, I could take this here. Right.
So guys, ito na yung ginawa ng asawa ko. So, yan yung yung ginawa niya. Tapos sinang niya lang dito. And then, don't mind this is mandarin. That's what I told you earlier. So, yun na, may pa-lighting effect yung mga alaman. Tapos, yung extra na pinakita ko sa inyo last time, ito, gagamitin niya dito siguro sa side. So, yun yung natin, yung ating seedling. Yung bagong update natin. For how many days? 5 days na to. Ito na siya. Yung iba di pa. So, kailangan niya ng light kasi yan na, nagsa-start na siyang mag-sprout talaga and magdahon. Yan na yung mga ang cute. Diba? Yan ang mga green beans. So, kailangan niya na talagang ilagyan ng light or else mamamatay siya. So, yun na. So, hopefully, yan ang eggplant and hot pepper, na din siya. Mag-start na din mag-germinate. So, that's it for our update you on our next vlog sa ating paglagay ng dirt and paglagay ng worm for our dirt, for our garden bed. And we're gonna start transferring our plants once it start to talaga mag-germinate na talaga siya and pwede na siyang ilagay sa ating garden bed kasi medyo mahangin pa sa labas so hindi pa pwede. Dito muna for now. So yun lang yung update natin guys. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.